This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 251BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, TV antenna, LP detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 251BH is 6,948 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.